Hey geeks! We're back with another unboxing video. This time we're unboxing Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. The theme for this box is The Force Awakens, and I think that's a previous theme. This might be like a special gift from Funko, which would be awesome. So let's dig into this thing and see what's in it. We do subscribe to Smuggler's Bounty, and we have since the very beginning. So I think I read somewhere, I saw in an email or on Facebook or somewhere, that people had been subscribed for a year. We're going to get a special gift, and I think this might be it. So let's see. Yeah, we've definitely gotten this patch before.
Yeah, I recognize this pin.
Yeah. We got the First Order TIE Fighter Pilot patch.
And then a Kylo Ren pin.
Yes. This is a really sweet looking patch though. I don't mind having two of these. Especially since I think I may have lost the first one.
It's here somewhere.
Yes, definitely a duplicate because I have that lanyard. My work badge is on it.
Yes, you do have this lanyard.
Okay, so confirmed this is a duplicate. Special gift from Funko. Although, I don't remember this shirt.
I don't remember that shirt either.
I think this is a new shirt.
Because that shirt's freaking awesome.
Yeah, like, it is.
Ah.
It's Captain Phasma. And it should fit. That's pretty damn sweet. I like it.
Okay. Alright, we got the TIE Fighter Pilot.
And I can't do it. And the Chrome Captain Phasma. This is really sweet. It doesn't, yeah, okay, it does say on the very top, Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. So yeah, man, you know what? I'm totally cool with it being a duplicate box.
Me too. Because that shirt, I'm pretty sure is new. Because I don't remember that shirt.
Yeah, I would have stuck out. I think you would remember that shirt.
And these pops are awesome. So.
Yeah, they really are. So that's going to be it for this unboxing video. Oh wait, shit, hang on. Haha, what was your favorite item from the box?
Captain Phasma.
The shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think me too, because we have everything else, and that's a new shirt. I know I'm like 95% sure that's a new shirt.
Although he does have like 5 million shirts, so
yeah,
he could just be forgetting it.
That's true too, that happens. That happens a lot. Alright, now, if you enjoyed this video, let us know by dropping a like on it and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews and all kinds of geeky awesomeness.
And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.